What's up, fam? This is your boy Benny Blanco here. I want to wish each and every one of you a happy Easter today. I also want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my page, for liking my videos, for commenting my videos, for helping me build the page to where it is today. For my appreciation for the next 72 hours, starting now when this video drop, I'm going to give each and every one of you a free copy of my ultimate step-by-step credit repair manual that you see scrolling behind me. I'm also going to give each and every one of you one free one-on-one consultation for 30 minutes to talk to me, ask me any questions you want about your personal credit, anything you want to know, so get your pen and your pad ready. The only thing you have to do to qualify for this free package deal within the next 72 hours, I want you to click my Linktree link above. I want you to go to my Linktree link, scroll down and look for my YouTube link. Click on my YouTube link. Go to my YouTube page. You got to do 4 things. Subscribe to my YouTube page. Comment on each of my videos. Like each of my videos. And also watch each of my videos. All 4 things. You do all those 4 things for me. Come back to TikTok. Message me, let me know you did everything. Once I verify that you did all those steps, you will get the ultimate step-by-step credit manual for free, and you will also get a 30-minute one-on-one consultation with me to ask me any questions about your personal credit. It starts now in 72 hours. Thank you guys for following me. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting my videos. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your Easter. Let's go. 72 hours. The clock is ticking.